Hey there, in this video, I'm going to show you in Lovable PowerKits extension how you can use the optimize with AI feature and how it actually works. Okay, so here when you just open the extension panel, okay, you will see the option called optimize with AI. So to make it working, first of all, you need to go license settings and then just scroll down a bit into the panel you see here, and then here you will see the option to put your ChatGPT API key or Google AI Studio API key. So in my case, I'm going to use the Google Studio API key and then I will save it. Okay. So now my extension is connected with the Google AI Studio. Uh, Now, when I just try to use the optimize with AI, then I can do this. So let me make a simple prompt here, and then we will use the optimize option. Okay, so let me put the prompt here first. Okay, so I added a prompt here, like into this request a preview section. I want to add a name field. Currently, it only has the email field. Okay, so I just added the prompt. Now, when I click optimize with AI, as I already connected with Google Studio, uh, then this prompt will be changed and optimized. Okay, so let it do this first of all. Then we will send that prompt. Okay, so it's working, so it may take a few seconds to optimize your prompt so that it can rewrite the prompt, it can make your prompt better. Okay, so let it do this first and then we will send that prompt to Lovable. Well, now you can see here the prompt is now more structured and properly written. It's just optimized with this button as we already have connected our Google AI Studio. So now when we send the prompt, it will add the exact thing that I just tried, like add a name field here. Okay, so now it's working just fine. Okay, so see here, if I show you the log, then we can see the Lovable actually making the option. You can see here the name field just added. So this way you can optimize your prompt by using optimize with AI. First of all, you need to connect your ChatGPT or Google AI Studio API key, and then the optimize with AI, this button will work. Okay, so otherwise it will not work. So make sure before using the optimize with AI, you added your license key like the API key here. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you find anything wrong or anything needs support, then just open a support ticket or send us a message on our Discord server. And if you still not using Lovable PowerKits extension, then you can get this extension from our website. You can see here is our website. We have different pricing plan for you, and you can directly buy and get your license key instantly. Or if you want to join our Discord server, then you can also join our Discord server by clicking this little icon here. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.